can see, this is how it looks. Hi, my name's Shaz. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a surgical face mask at home. I'm going to dissect this. I'm going to give you the exact measurements, how and at what points they've all been cut, folded, the length, even the elastic, which I'm probably going to change slightly because I want you to be able to make this at home. So whatever you can get your hands on, that's how I want you to make it. So I'm just now going to go through that process. I followed the exact pattern to this, and you can see this is how it looks. Now, what this pattern didn't have was any elastic on the bottom, but because it's a much thicker fabric, I actually had to collect it at the bottom, so you can see it here. I've just collected it, and I'm going to try it on for the first time. Let's try it. Perfect, look at the bottom. Sits perfectly. And I've got the nosy wire, which I can pinch, again giving me the protection here, because I took it out of this one. I used normal hairbands, which I put on there. There was bias binding of some kind of transparency, plasticky, I think you can see it here, some kind of bias binding, and I just decided it was going to look neater if I just put some ribbon in, so I put ribbon on the side to there, and this is how it looks. This is the end result. It's a very simple looking face mask. I didn't need to use a filter because when I put it up against the light, no light was coming through, and that's because I've got a denim-y layer, and then I've got a black cotton layer. Now individually they were letting light through, but together no light at all. So that is my face mask, using the surgical face mask that they throw away in the hospitals. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe if you liked it, give me the thumbs up, and also please share. So until my next video, goodbye for now.